Hi guys, it's Maureen. Come cook this little fish called Kapenta with me. And this goes so well with Nsima, which is the staple food of Malawi. Malawi is known for having different kinds of fish because of a big lake that is the third largest lake in Africa. Anyway, I'm going to be using charcoal and I just put my pan and oil, so I'll just throw in my Kapenta in there and just let it fry until it's a little crispy, and then I'm going to add my eggplants. This dish goes so well with eggplants. If you hate eggplants, this is the best way of eating them. And also, if you love Kapenta and you've never tried this dish with eggplants, please do try it. Yeah, so I just covered it up so that the eggplants should sweat a little bit, and then I added in my onions. Then I'm going to be using two different spices. So this is fish spice and mother-in-law spice. We all know this spice goes with a lot of things. Yeah, so I'll be using these two spices, and after I put my spices, I just stirred that a little bit. But you can use raja, you can use whatever spices that you have. Cooking is an art. It's all about like trying out new stuff. Anyway, I was just making a little space so that I should add my tomatoes, and then I added some salt. Then I just mixed up the salt a little bit. Then I'm going to cover my tomatoes so that they should cook nicely, because I also don't want the fish to dry up or to become more crispy. I had forgotten some garlic, so this was me coming back to put some. So I just put some on top, but you can put it in the beginning, just when you're putting the other spices. Yeah, so after a while the tomatoes were cooked, so it was just time to stir everything up, and look how juicy and amazing this looks already. So normally without kids I would not add any water, because it's also nice like this, but I have two children who like soup in their meat or whatever relish that you have, so I had to add some water so that it's more juicy, more soupy, and it's also delicious, guys. The water also helps make it a little soft, but then also the spices come together. Yeah, at this point it was looking amazing. Already, just look at it. Yeah, I did add a little bit of more water because I thought I was not going to have enough juice, and with my kids that was not going to work. Yeah, but you also need the juice, like I said, so that everything mixes up together. Yeah, look how nice this looks. Malawi loves fish, guys. If you go to Salima, you're going to find different types of fish, whether it's small, medium, large, or whatever. But if you do come to Malawi, ask for Kapenta, and trust me, you will not regret. Yeah, so at this point my Kapenta was ready. I like to add the green pepper last so that it's still nice and fresh, yeah, when you eat it. Yeah, so it was done at this point, and trust me, guys, this is a very nice dish. You can have it with Nsima, you can also have it with rice, whatever that you may choose, but it does go well with Nsima. Yeah, you can have it with rice if you want. But look how amazing that looks, and it tastes really good. Yeah, so if you've never tried this recipe, do try it out. I had mine with Nsima, and this was me. We also had it with some vegetables. This is mustard with groundnut, and that's our Nsima. I wanted some chili, so I went to my garden and I got my Kambozi chili to go with the meal. And this was me just showing you my chili because you can see the cook. Thanks for watching.